Hi soulmates, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful bubble gown. So if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. So guys, for this tutorial I'll be making use of plain and pattern fabric to create the bubble gown. For the Ankara I have 2 yards here, and for the plain fabric I have about half yard of shiny face satin fabric. You can use any plain material of your choice. First thing is to fold the fabric into two. After folding it into two, I will fold it again into two. I folded it this way because I will be cutting the front and back together. The place without the opening will be the center, while this place will be the side. So the gown length I'm working with is 36 inches, and I'll be adding 1 inch to fold it down. I'm marking it from the down because I want this pattern to be at the down. Next, I'll be marking my hip point, which is 23 inches. Then all the way to the top. So what I marked here is the starting point, the hip point, and the gown length with 1 inch to fold. Then I marked out the neck width, which is 3 inches. Then the neck depth 1.5 inches, which is the neck depth for the back. Then connect it to form a neckline. Next is to mark out half of my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 14 inches, divided by 2 is 7 inches. So this is it after marking it out. Next is to mark out the sleeve length. I'm marking out 10.5 inches from where I marked half of my shoulder measurements. You can use any length of your choice. After marking out the length of the sleeve, I will be marking 9.5 inches down. Then connect it to the shoulder line. Then I will go down by 1 inch here to form a shoulder slope. Next is to mark out my hip measurement divided by 4 on the hip line. The hip measurement I'm working with is 36 inches, divided by 4 is 9 inches, so I'm marking out 9 inches. Then I added 4.5 inches because this bubble gown is a free wear. Then connect the sleeve like you see me doing in the video. Let's connect it to the sleeve. I will also mark the same measurements I marked on the hip line at the down. And connect it. So I'm done drafting the pattern. See it? I'll be cutting it out with the back neckline. Next, I will be taking out one of these two as the front. Now I'll be creating the front neckline. To create the front neckline, from the shoulder I will go down by 10 inches. Then from the 10 inches point I will go in by 1 inch. Then I will connect it to the shoulder like you see me doing in the video. Then I will cut it out. So I'm done cutting it out. This is how it looks. You can see the V neckline, it's already showing. Next is to take it to the sewing machine to join the front and back together on the shoulder. So I'm pinning it together before taking it to the sewing machine. I will be sewing it with 1/2 inch. So guys, I'm done joining the shoulder. This is how it looks. I ironed the seam open. You can see the neckline already formed. This is the back while this is the front. Next, I will be measuring the neckline all the way around. I have 27 inches here. Next, I will cut out a long strap for the neckline, which with the plain shiny satin, you know I measured my neckline to be 27 inches. Here I have about 33 inches. It unfolds, it's 4 inches wide, so after folding it, it will be 2 inches. So I will turn the fabric to the right side. Then I will start pinning the straps to the neckline like you see me doing in the video. I will pin it around the neckline. Now I'm done pinning. I'll be taking it to the sewing machine to join with 1/2 inch. So guys, this is it after joining it, and I ironed it down. Next, I'll be cutting out a square with the shiny satin measuring 10 inches by 10 inches. So this is the square, it's 10 inches all around. I'll be placing it this way, but you can place it anyhow you want. You can make it any design of your choice. You can turn it this way, this way, this way. You can just play around it anyhow you want. For the purpose of this video, I'll be going in by 3.5 inches here and 3.5 inches here. Then I'm going to connect it like so. Then cut it out. I will be taking it to the ironing table to iron it down with hemming gum. that is all the sides, all the edge. I'll be ironing it down with hemming gum. So this is it after ironing it. It will be easier this way to pin it on the gown and sew accurately. Then I will take my gown to place it. I will be placing it on the neckline like so. I'm doing it this way to get the middle accurately. I am pinning it down to secure it so it won't move around while sewing. This is it after pinning. I'll be sewing it round on the edge. This is it after sewing. You can see how neat it looks. Next is to fold the sleeves. I will be taking it to the sewing machine to sew it down. I'll be sewing it this way. So guys, I'm done folding the sleeves. You can see how neat it looks. Next is to join the sides. I'll be taking it to the sewing machine to join the sides using 1 inch sewing allowance. So now I'm done joining the sides. Now the next and last thing to do is to fold it down. So I'll be folding it with the 1 inch I added while cutting. This is the finished look. Our bubble gown is ready. You can also use this method to make a long bubble gown. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share, leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.